Can oil pulling help with vitamin B12 shortage?
In case somebody is vitamin B12 short, amongst several reasons, one of the reasons of that is that you have a lot of stress. Means obviously there are certain people who have pernicious anemia where B12 is short because they have antibodies that do not let the body absorb the B12 from the food or even from a pill that you take, so you probably need B12 shots. But there are other cases in which a lot of stress also messes your B12 levels. The reason being, too much stress means your body is always in a fight or flight syndrome. And in that scenario, all that body is doing is it's just producing a lot of serotonin, it's producing a lot of adrenaline, it's producing all these neurotransmitters, and those are consuming all your B12 that is available in the blood. One good way, in case you're not suffering from a specific disorder like pernicious anemia, is reduce your stress. You do meditation, you start oil pulling, because when you start oil pulling, you basically are stimulating your vagus nerve, which once your vagus nerve gets stimulated, you de-stress, and once you de-stress, you basically consume less B12, and your B12 can actually be used in a more productive way where your B12 can be used to actually establish all the used in productive functions of the body rather than using it in the flight or fight syndrome.